Imagine a world where 80% of marketing campaigns are effective, generating significant return on investment. Sounds too good to be true, right? Yet, according to a recent study, businesses that leverage data analysis for their marketing strategies have seen up to an 80% increase in their campaign effectiveness. In the realm of marketing, the key to success lies deeply embedded within data. But data, on its own, is like a map without a compass. It's only when we interpret this data, when we analyze and draw insights from it, that we can navigate towards success. Take the example of a leading tech firm in the United States. As a major player in the IT services industry, they had a wealth of marketing data at their disposal, but they were looking for a way to predict the number of conversions per day and to understand the effectiveness of their marketing channels and other internal and external factors. Enter Blackcoffer, a company that has made it its mission to connect clients to a vast network of expertise worldwide. Blackcoffer took on the challenge, applying their 12 years of experience to the project. The team at Blackcoffer began with exploratory data analysis, diving deep into the tech firm's marketing mix data. They analyzed 11 spending channels, 1 promotions column, 2 internal factors columns, and a date column. Through this process, they discovered that target conversions had a very high correlation with 3 specific spending channels. However, they also found that the data was skewed, had high variance, and contained outliers. To address these issues, the Blackcoffer team applied feature engineering. They added more features, extracted day and day of week features from the date, removed outliers, and scaled the data using a standard scaler. They then created multiple models using different machine learning algorithms, including linear regression, decision tree, random forest, gradient boosting, and XGBoost. After comparing these models, they found the XGBoost model yielded the lowest mean absolute error and root mean squared error, making it the most effective model for this particular data set. The result? A predictive model that could accurately forecast the number of daily conversions and gauge the effectiveness of different marketing channels. This provided the tech firm with a clearer understanding of where to allocate their marketing resources for maximum impact. But Blackcoffer didn't stop there. They delivered a comprehensive project report, an Excel sheet containing statistical information, model results, and insights about features, and an IPython notebook. They also provided the tech firm with the tools they needed to continue leveraging data analysis in their marketing strategies. In a world where data is the new gold, Blackcoffer is the expert miner, extracting valuable insights from raw data. If your business is looking for ways to harness the power of data analysis, reach out to Blackcoffer. They will guide you on your journey towards data-driven success.